Doing the wiper on the passenger side, 20 inches. Comes with an adapter, but you want to get rid of that, so squeeze the tabs. This one is C2. Let's see if I can get that there. All right, C2. So with two hands, popped it on. So this is ready to go with the C2 adapter. Now to remove the current or existing, lift it up, press the two pieces in the back, right here. All right, so you pull the pieces of there, comes right off. Next, slide it into position. That's it. Take off the cover, and that should be it. And you're done. It's on. And that concludes our installation. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.